Monster case breaks. We're doing Contenders Optic football for Brandon. All right, Jared Goff, Devontae Parker, Jacob Phillips, that is rookie ticket auto, 17 of 25. Justin Herbert, 17 of 25, rookie ticket autograph. Congrats, man. Very nice. What a pack. Russell Wilson winning ticket. And Josh Kelly rookie ticket. Oh, let me see if that Wilson is 6 of 50. Yeah, the winning tickets are gorgeous. Brandon, any more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Congrats, man.
Herbert autos. What was that out of?
That was out of Contenders Optic.
Wow.
2 autographs, including 1 on card.
Oh. Huh?
Here, you want it out of the holder? If you want a screenshot of it. Nice, man. Congratulations. Robert, that is very good.